Hi there! So this is the Gavina House here in Edinburgh, Lipa City. And napakaganda, isa sa mga pinakamalaking houses natin here in Elegant Homes in Dimitarland. And napakalapit lang nito sa SM City, Lipa. And Lipa Public Market, it's just 2.1 kilometers away. And malapit din ito sa outlet malls. Malapit din ito sa Batangas University. So it is very accessible and convenient. And of course, isa siya sa pinakamagandang climate sa Philippines. Napaka-cool ang weather dito and very close to nature. Ayan. As you can see, the beautiful house behind me can be yours. Don't forget to call me 0917-188-7212. And you can see if this is also a house perfect for you because we are also located in 36 different locations nationwide. Thank you and everyone. Thank you for watching. This is Aina. Talk to you soon. Bye.